Here's my first video released of the 4 FI SP4 V2s. Y'all get to see this 2-minute clip and see how it plays lows for days.
You said keep our business on the low.
2 SoundCube 4500 strapped at 2 ohm. I clamped 5,000 watts at after rise, so that's at 23 hertz. So definitely made for the lows. I made a video for the box, so look at that video on my YouTube channel if you wanted to know how big the sealed and ported side is. So let's see what this does. This is the hills slowed. It plays into the mid-teens. It doesn't really show much on the video. Let's show you over here. That plays low. Alright, I'll be making more videos, so they're still breaking in, so I don't want to over damage them, even though it's not taking much power. Plays really low. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out more videos in the future. Voltage, the lowest was 12.6, going into those low mid-teens.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.